Hello, friend. It's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel, Azure Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a simple, beautiful text effect using corelDRAW. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to come to your toolbar right here and double click on the rectangle tools. This allows you guys to create a perfect page border. So next step you have to take is to come to your color palette right here and make sure you choose black color. So having done that, the next step you have to take is to go to your type tool right here, select your type tool. So having selected your type tools, you can make a type. So you can use whatever words that you are interested. So here I'm using generate. Okay, then you can easily come to the menu bar here and change the font style and change to whatever font style of your choice. So right here, I'm going to use Roboto. So I'm going to use Roboto Black. Okay. Then you can also increase the font size. So you have to come here. Right here, I'm going to make it 50 widths. Okay. Then you can press P to centralize. So this particular one here, we need to change the color. So you can make it white text color. Okay, so the next step you have to take is to make a duplicate of this particular text. For you to do that, just press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Then the duplicate one right here, we need to remove the fill. So for you to do that, you just have to come to your color at the bottom right here. Click on this. Then the color fill will be hidden. Then you have to come to the white color again and right click on it. Then it's going to give you outline stroke, just like what you have right here. Now we need to work on this particular outline stroke. We need to increase the weight and stuff like that. So for you to do that, you have to come down here and you see where you see this particular white stroke. Double click on this pen tool here and it's going to pump up the stroke property. So right here you can apply the stroke width and the like. So for me here, I'm going to change the stroke width from hairline to, let's try and see 1%, and you can see the effect. So let's see 1.5. I think I'm good with 1.5. So once you are able to achieve what you need, then you can apply stroke behind the fill, scale with the object, stuff like that, and then you click on OK. With that, you're going to have something like this. So now we need to align this particular text to align vertical and horizontal centered. So for you to do that, you have to select the text. So when you select the text, you have to press Shift key and select the original text. Then press C on your keyboard. So this gives you a perfect way to align the text into the vertical center. So next step you have to take is to select the stroke text layer. Okay. So having selected the stroke text layer, next step you have to take is to go to Object. From the Home tab here, select Object. Then you have to look for Convert Outline to Object. You select on that. So it's going to convert it to Object. So having done that, the next thing you have to do is to come to your interactive features. So make sure you choose your interactive features. So when you choose your interactive features, you have to come to the top here and make sure you choose fonting fill. So when you choose your fonting fill, you can change the direction and then you apply color of your choice. Okay. So let me change the direction of the. So we can change this particular color to another one. Okay. So with that, we are able to apply normal gradient. So the next thing you have to do is to apply transparent effects to this. So you have to select your transparent tools. So when you select your transparent tools, you have to come to the home tab here and make sure you choose fonting. So when you choose the fonting, then you have to work on the direction. Fonting. Okay, so you can also make a duplicate of this one right here. So for you to do that, you just have to press Ctrl Z and then Ctrl V. Then you can just use your top arrow key to move it. Then when you use your arrow key to move it, then the duplicate one, next thing you have to do is to right click and look for order. Then make sure you choose to back of layer. Then select the black background, order, and to back of page. Okay, so we have it this way. Sorry for that. So we have to adjust this. Then we have to double click the background again and then fill it with black. Then we can adjust this also to the top. So next thing you have to do is to select all these duplicates from the top. Then Ctrl J to group them together. So the next thing you have to do is to press Ctrl Z and then Ctrl V. So having made a duplicate, press down Ctrl key and flip to. Sorry for that. Press down Ctrl key and flip. So once you flip, you're going to have it at the bottom of this particular generate. Then you have to press Shift key and select the top one, then C to centralize, then Ctrl J to group them together. Then the next thing you have to do is to select this particular one right here, this text right here, the white text color, Shift key and press the duplicate one, then press C to centralize. Then you have to select the duplicate text, the effect text, then make sure you ungroup them. Okay, next thing you have to do is to work on the transparent. So you have to select your transparent tools, but before that you have to ungroup everything again. So when you ungroup them, you have to select the text and then you have to go to your transparent. Just need to adjust it a little bit. Then select the second one here. Then having selected this bottom one, then you have to come to your transparent again and just adjust. And you can select everything now, then press Ctrl J to group, then P to centralize. So guys, this is how you can create It's a fantastic, beautiful text effect using corelDRAW. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.